Today, I have to do something I've been putting off, and I've been frigging around to avoid it, and it's really important. You'll notice what's missing back at that garden. There's no greenhouse. Well, we have one. It's just one of those plastic ones. It was purchased 3 years ago when we lived at our old property. So we moved here 2 years ago. We've been taking care of the inside of the house and a lot of things that needed upgrade after 80 years. But I need to build this greenhouse, and it's annoying because it's directions and parts, and a lot of the parts look the same. Okay, I'll do it. This is what we're working with. I started with a half-size one before, and this has been waiting to go up for years. I dread pieces and parts, but here we go. Yeah, I'm gonna hate this. I'm gonna hate it. Look, this is just a bag of connectors. Just a whole ass. There's a bunch of plastic, which is awful. Here's the shelves. There it is. I am going to be so annoyed by the end of this. Or cold. Oof, it's a very chilly spring day. I'm going to be very honest. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. Oh, I don't want to do this. Where do I begin? It doesn't say what to start. Oh my god, I'm gonna hate this. It's just one step. Just one. Do this. All right. Well, there's 6 of those, so we should start there because those attach to 2 5s. This is gonna be awful, slow situation. Did you think I wasn't gonna time lapse this? Oh my god. Yo, this thing is telling me to connect 2 5s to an F. There's 1 F. I have to find the 1 F in this bag. I have to organize all of. Oh my god. It's the only way to do it. Oh. Annoying. But wait, did I do this? There's one of one piece that I need, and I think I just lost it in this other pile. God bless it. This is awful. Found it. Now I've got to attach that to 2 of those and then 2 5s. 2 of those, 2 5s. 2 of these with the hooky parts at the bottom into into these. Come on. Oh, this is gonna take me hours. Hours and hours. Got the ends on there. Yeah. Oh man, all these connector pieces are on. I remember from the smaller one we had, you gotta like go around and adjust them in and pop them in and make sure they're really flush and tight. All the connectors on. I just have to do the last few bars. Gonna bang that out. I can lift a whole house. Okay. I complained about this a whole lot and then I got it done. She huffed and puffed and built a freaking house. Is that wind? You see it? It's so that you're gonna see like these weird little, you know, kind of just have to press it in tight against your bone teeth. Who needs a sternum? Now, obviously, the next piece would be to get it over there. Where it's going to go, get the plastic tarp, actual housing over it. However, let me show you. See this piece of decking? We want to put this right there, right next to it. Decent, just a little guy, but with the decking under it, that will help get it up off the ground. It should be noted, there is a barrier that I found at the very bottom of that garden bed, because I forgot to mention, I'm aware chipmunks dig and live underground. And they'll dig right up into your property, so it's protected. At first I thought to myself, don't do this part. Why would you want to do this part? It just needs to be done. I have to do it. I do what I want. I'm gonna tie all those little pieces on the inside, and then I'm gonna stake them. I'm actually gonna use the rope and some of these paver bricks, and I'm gonna tie it to the fencing for right now. Oh my God. All right, let's get this guy tied down. It's simple. It's not supposed to be complex. Got Velcro windows. And get tied up with a ribbon. Circulation. Welcome to my house. I'll put the shelves in, start getting things growing, when we have the platform over here, possibly the end of this week. And next we're gonna seed, oh, the beds. I think I'm gonna use these to line this section here. And we're gonna start getting the seeds where they need to be. Last night I got really excited because I realized that other fencing that I made the tater tower out of could just be a trellis in the back of a whole bed. Look, it even goes around the corner there. Like, hey. So I stuck that in the ground. I think I'm just gonna secure it to the fence at the top and call it good, because perfect. I don't know, at least not perfect, but recycled and convenient. And that worked out really well. Also, it was in cutting this fence that I learned I got poison ivy from that. Somewhere over there. The Pivy got me. Whether you're really into gardening or a fan of Tolkien, join me at the Eisengarden by hitting that subscribe button and turning on notifications so you know when I upload. You can always leave a comment and hit the thumbs up to help me out a little more. Thanks for watching.